Hello,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. I think we've spoken once before.
Sorry?
I said, I think we've spoken once before.
No, I don't think so.
Yes, I see it. We spoke on February 3rd, and I have something in my notes about India banning apps.
Oh, yeah, could be.
Okay, well, we can do the normal introduction again.
Yeah, okay. So, my name is Ujjwal Sharma and I'm from India. I'm from the northern part of India.
Okay.
Yeah.
And are you working, studying?
Yeah, currently I am studying and I'm pursuing my graduation right now. It's my first year. I'm
Mm-hmm.
doing BBA.
You're doing what?
BBA, it's a business course, bachelor degree. It's Bachelor of Business Administration.
Oh, BBA. Okay, yeah, gotcha.
Yeah.
Well, I'm from the US, but I live in Spain.
Yeah,
And I'm
okay.
studying a master's degree and working on cambly.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yes, yes.
So, what you studying?
It's part of the communications department.
Okay, good.
Mhm. Yes, yes. So I have one more month left of classes, and then my last trimester, I have 3 months to write my thesis.
Okay, so like which semester is running?
Say that again.
Which semester is running?
One more time.
Which semester is running?
Which semester is what?
Running. Which semester is running?
Running.
Yeah.
Oh, um, program is by trimesters, so we're not in semesters. So there's three
Oh,
trimesters. The first one was from September to December. The
okay.
one that I'm currently in is from January until March. And then the last one is from April until June.
Oh, okay. Yeah, gotcha.
Yes.
So like what is the time right now
Right
in your
now
area?
it's 12:45. I think India is like 3-ish hours ahead or something like that.
Yeah, here it's 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
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 So
Okay.
like do you feel sleepy?
No, because it's the afternoon.
Oh my god, it's afternoon.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
12:47 p.m., not a.m.
Oh yeah. Like so I think in Chicago it is night.
Yes, but I live in Spain. I don't live in the US.
Yeah, you live in Spain. Yeah,
Yeah.
but and US, like it is maybe night time.
It's really early morning in the US. In my state, I'm from Georgia. Right now, it's 6:47 in the morning. And
Oh,
then in Chicago, it would be 5:47 in the morning. And
okay.
then in California, it's
Yeah.
3:47 in the morning.
Okay. Okay. Good.
Yes, so
So
I'm not sleepy, but if you called me when I was in the US, I would not be working if I was in the US.
yeah. So like I
So
have a question.
yeah,
I have a question, and I asked the yesterday's teacher that question, but I think she couldn't understand me. She couldn't understand my question. So
okay.
now I'm trying. Yeah. That. So the question is, what is that question if I'll ask you and you don't want to answer me, you don't like to answer me, what is that question?
What is the question that I don't want people to ask because I don't want to answer?
Yes.
I don't know.
Like
I don't know.
if I'll ask any question which you don't want to answer me, there's no question.
I can't think of anything right now. I feel like Most questions I'm pretty good with answering. I can't think of anything that I would feel uncomfortable answering unless you ask me something like, I mean, because I don't know you. So maybe if you ask me something like very personal,
Yeah, so
like,
yeah, it may be any security password or something else. So
yeah,
yeah.
like security passwords, or if you ask me about like my personal life, like
Mhm.
personal life, or um maybe about like childhood traumas, that I wouldn't feel comfortable answering that.
Okay, so yeah.
Did that answer your question?
Yeah, yeah, I got now.
Okay. Why do you ask that?
Actually, I got this question from the Google. So I
Uh-huh.
was thinking that I should ask on the Cambly teachers this. So yeah, I
Okay.
did. Yeah.
What's your question that you don't want to answer?
Mm, like some my personal life, my it may my bank details, and because I don't know you, you don't know me,
Yeah.
we are strangers for each other. So yeah, maybe my personal life. So yeah, this is the thing.
Mhm. Yeah. If you asked me where I live, I wouldn't tell you that. Like, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I feel like there's a lot of things that I wouldn't answer, but there's also a lot of things that I would answer.
Yeah.
So, I don't know.
Mhm.
So, what do you like to do for fun?
For fun, I do watch some movies, and usually I play some online games on my mobile and
Mhm.
on my phone. Yeah, and sometimes I play outdoor games. Yeah, so these are things I do in my free time.
Mhm.
Yeah. So
Okay.
what about you?
In my free time, just the normal stuff, I guess, like watch TV. Sometimes I read, hang out with my friends, go have some coffee, something like that.
Okay.
Nothing
So like,
crazy, nothing. I mean, I like to do yoga, go on a walk or run. Not in, I live in Barcelona right now,
hmm,
and normally I run, but here is too crowded for me to run. So I've just been doing other things. But when I move, because I'm moving next month, I'll start running again.
okay. So like, why you relocated in Spain from US?
Barcelona right now.
Okay.
But I'm moving back to, I've lived in Spain for 3.5 years. And before I was in Barcelona, I was living in a city called Alicante. And that's about 5 hours south of Barcelona, still
Yeah.
on the East Coast. And so I'm moving back there next month.
Okay. That's good.
Hmm.
You would meet with your family.
Say that again.
Yeah, you will meet with your family and old friends.
I don't have any family here.
No, like if you will come back from the US.
No, I live in Spain.
No, so like when you will back to US. So
Well, when will I go back to the US?
yeah.
I don't
So
have any plans.
okay.
Yeah. I mean, I will go visit eventually this year, but I don't have any plans to move back.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Yep. I prefer living in Spain than the United
Good.
States.
Good.
Hmm.
So why you prefer?
Lots of reasons. The culture is more my style. I think they don't live to work. They work to live.
Hmm.
And the The food quality is better. There's better public transportation. I can walk everywhere instead of having to take a car.
Okay.
Um, there's public health care, so I don't have to pay a lot for insurance like I do in the US.
Yeah, okay. That's good.
Yeah, many reasons.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's fun also because it's nice to practice your second language in the country where they speak it.
Yeah, yeah, it is too fun.
It's nice, yeah.
Yeah.
But um okay, so you said that you're in which year of your studies? Your first year?
Yeah, it is my first year.
How's it going?
Yeah, it is going very well.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So do you just want to be a businessman or do you have like a specific goal?
Actually, I just want to be the businessman. Actually, my father have his own business, so I'll work with my father's business. So
Mhm.
that's why I'm doing this degree. So yeah. Uh, and like in my short-term goal, I want to be job in a MNC company. And besides this, my long-term goal, I want to work with my father.
Mhm.
We have our own business, yeah. So we are
Okay.
manufacturer of handicraft products, and we produce our we produce our products in India and ship them in the USA, the UK, the Germany, and a lot of countries.
Okay. What kind of handcrafted things do you sell?
Yeah, we produce like the handicraft lamps, handicraft decorative animals,
Oh,
decorative
nice.
elephant, cats, yeah, and a lot of stuffs.
Mhm.
So yeah.
Okay. Very cool. And do you have brothers or sisters?
Yeah, I have a brother and a sister.
Okay. Where are you in the lineup? Are you oldest, middle, youngest?
Yeah, I'm the middle one.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have, which one is older?
My sister is older than me, and my brother
Okay.
is younger than me. Yeah, my
Okay.
brother is in the grade, so his exam is running right now.
He's in what grade?
10th.
10th. Okay.
Yeah.
Do you go up to 12th grade in India and then you go to university, or what grade do you stop?
After my 12th, I took the admission in a university
Hmm.
for doing BBA.
Yeah. It's the same in the US. You go to 12th grade and then your university.
Yeah.
Hmm. In Spain, it's a little bit different though. They have the years are named different things, and you also have the option to, if you're not going to go to a university, then you
Mm.
stop school when you're 16.
Oh,
Yeah, it's different.
yeah. It is. So, what is the weekend in Spain?
It depends. I'm kind of a grandma, so I don't really like to do too much. Um, but you can do anything. Like in the summer, there's a lot of parties because I've lived in places that are close to the
No,
beach.
I'm saying like the weekend day is Saturday or Sunday or something else.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's Saturday, Sunday.
Okay, okay.
I thought you meant what are the weekends like? Like, what do you do during the
Mhm.
weekends?
No. Okay.
Yeah. Saturday, Sunday. Because I know in some countries, like in Saudi Arabia, the weekends are Friday, Saturday, or sometimes just Friday.
Okay. So their new week starts like from Sunday.
Sunday. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it
Okay.
Saturday, Sunday in India as well?
Yeah, yeah, it is. It's a
Yeah.
norm. Saturday or Sunday.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Well, we're out of time. So it was
Yeah.
good to meet you again. And I
Yeah.
hope you have a good rest of your day.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.